How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and I'm back with a couple of shout outs, stash ads, and I'll do a quick little rundown, a little update on my buddy build with Russell at Russell Model Cars. We're doing the Ford, he's doing a Lotus Cortina, and I'm doing a Ford Cortina GT. And which I haven't really got a lot done, but I'll show you what I've gotten done. There's so much stuff going on with that. But okay, and before I get started here, I want to thank all my subscribers as always. If it wasn't for y'all, I wouldn't even have a channel. And I'd like to thank my loyal subscribers, and then all my new subscribers. I want to thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, I guess the first shout out is going to be it's going to be Aaron at the Frayed Brush, which I shouted him out the other day. You know, we did the whole Hobby Town model contest and stuff and everything. But I got in the mail today, or well, it wasn't today. It was actually Saturday. I got it in the mail. I'm just now being able to make a video. But he sent me this. You can see that is the Tamiya. It's a McLaren Mercedes MP4/13 Japanese Grand Prix version. You can see that right there. Awesome kit. You can see the box art here. Right there. I think this kit is from '99. So that would have been, let's see. I don't know if it shows or not what year that Grand Prix was, but either way, it's a Formula One kit from Tamiya, and everybody knows Tamiya. Tamiya's excellent kits. It's still sealed on the inside. Everything's in its bags, decals, everything's excellent. I want to thank you, Aaron. I can't thank you enough. I appreciate you, brother. And matter of fact, since how you gifted this to me and Xavier sometime during the summer here, we're going to have a buddy build for Formula One. And of course, I got a bunch of Formula Ones, and I already had one picked out, but since I got this one and it was gifted to me, I'm going to try to do the honor of building this. So Aaron, this will get built, and it will be at the next model contest whenever we have that. But I want to thank you very much, and y'all, if you're not subscribed to the Frayed Brush, please go over there. Aaron, he is a excellent modeler. He's been around for a while. He hadn't been on YouTube for a while, but he's no stranger to modeling. He's done a little bit of everything, but now I think he concentrates on figures and stuff like that. But he can build a car model, and so thank you, Aaron. And then another shout out I got is from Brian's Diecast Thailand. I don't know if any of y'all's into the little diecast Hot Wheels, Corgi, Matchbox, you know, little cars like that. I know a bunch of my guys are, but I know we're model builders and everything, but we also give love to the Hot Wheels, diecast, and the RC guys and stuff like that. So and you know, of course, the military painters, you know, everything, you know. But Brian, I was watching his video this morning, and he gave me a shout out on there, because here a while back I had commented on his video. He was restoring a die cast, and there was a little MG in the background, a little MGTC, and I asked him about it. I say, hey, you gonna restore that anytime soon? And so, you know, I made a comment and everything. Well, this morning I was checking, and he'd posted a video. Lo and behold, he was restoring a 1945 MGTC. And he did an excellent job restoring it. And I want y'all to go over there and check him out. And I will leave all the descriptions below to all these channels. I'll leave the description to the Frayed Brush, Aaron, Brian Diecast Thailand, and Russell Model Cars. Okay, with that being said, y'all go check him out, please. Give him a sub if you want. I'm sure he would really appreciate it. He's only got like 100 and something subs. Try to get his subs up there, guys. And same thing with the Frayed Brush. I mean, this guy, he's excellent. Please help him get his subs up. Okay, and I was at an antique shop today while I was out doing some running around. I had to go to Hobby Lobby and get a few supplies and stuff. And I think James Morris showed that his Hobby Lobby had the Model Masters paints, Testers paints. They were clearancing them out, I guess, because they're getting new stuff. I think the rumor is they're getting Revell or something like that. But so I went to check see if our Hobby Lobby had any paints on clearance. Well, they didn't, James. No paints on clearance, buddy. But maybe soon they will. For some reason, I don't know your region and where you're at the part of the country. Maybe they're clearancing them out first. I really don't know, but there wasn't at my Hobby Lobby. So, but I did go look and try. But I did get me some supplies anyway. But with that being said, I stopped at a antique shop, and one of my favorite little places because they usually set models in and out. And guys, I know, a lot of y'all tell me, well, I go to antique shops, flea markets, I never find nothing. Well, this particular flea market, it's been a long time since I found anything in it. But you got to walk through for the simple fact that those places change vendors all the time. So you never know what they're going to have. So, needless to say, I got this gem right here. It is the AMT Mustang funny car. It is, Mustang, funny car. It's an altered wheelbase car, actually. They call it a funny car, but it's an altered wheelbase car. Mustang GT 427 fuel injected drag car. Steel sealed. You can see right here, steel sealed. I got that one, and the same guy had this one right here. And it's the Revell 1932 Ford Roadster. It's the high boy, and you cannot go wrong with a 32 Ford. So anytime you can get one of these, and this sucker is still sealed too, guys. Please go out and hit your antique shops and flea markets. And like I said, please go and subscribe if you want to them guys. They would sure appreciate it. I got something in my throat. I'm gonna give me something to drink real quick. But with that being said, I'm going to turn this camera around and show you what little bit, which really not a lot done. I think Russell said he's got his in primer right now and stuff, but I haven't even got that far. I got a lot of imperfections and filling I got to do. I got some. I'll just turn it around and show you. All right, we're here at the bench, and this is my Cortina. I got it, you can see right here, I got this little vise right here. I'm having trouble, it being resin, and it was kind of flared out a little bit like this. So right now I got this, and it's helping. I've had it done for about a week now, and I took it off this morning, and it just a hair bit of a gap would come out. So I'm trying to, because this is like plastic. You keep it bent there long enough, you heat it up, whatever, it's gonna conform to it, and that's what I'm doing with it right now, as you can see. That's why I haven't really done a whole lot, but I've got my, right here, I got the engine bay glued in. I got it setting in place, and then I'm filling up some little imperfections with putty. And then right here, I'm probably gonna have to build that up some more on the side, and right here where I had some bubbles. So I'm filling those places up, and then that right there will come out. You can see right there, that's my chassis. But that's what I'm doing right there as far as making that fit. Right now I've got, and two, I hollowed all that stuff out right there, but I don't. Alright, here's my little engine. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's my little Ford engine. I got the hose drilled for the wires. I got the correct valve cover. And then this is something I'm custom making it. It's not done, but this is the 2 side draft Weber carbs. Then I'm making, and this is not finished right here. It has to be cut down. Everything's got to be painted and glued and stuff. But I'm making the air cleaner, the air cleaner to pretty much match what the car had. And like I said, it's just in mock-up right now. But if you can see, this is the way it will set, like this right there. Little 4-cylinder with the little inline 4-cylinder with the 2 Webers on it. That's the way that's going to set. I had to make a full bumper for the front to where what I had molded up was a Lotus Cortina, so it had the split bumpers in the front. This had, and this being a GT, it has the full bumper for this year model. I've got the dash. I've smoothed up, like I had a little hole right there. I had a hole right there. I'm putting a little putty in there. This is going to be my rally wheels. It's going to be a rally car. You can see right there. I'm just doing a lot of modification right now. You know, just I don't know. Here's the front grille for it. If I can get it pulled out here. All right. This is going to be my front grille. You can see I got wire mesh. I hollowed all that out and put actual wire mesh, so I'll have to chrome all that. I'm just doing a lot of modifications to it. It had 2 pipes coming out here, which this only needs 1 pipe, so I'm kind of cleaning that up right there. And I still got to custom make the muffler and the pipe to come out. Let's see if I can set that engine down in here. Kind of show you what we got going on here. Now that's what it'll look like. I know my lighting's not good in here, guys, but that's what it's going to look like with the engine down in there. And of course, it will have the side drift Weber carburetors. It'll have the battery over here. It will be wired. I'll probably wire the battery up. It'll have the exhaust on this side. I have the carburetors on that side. I'll probably have to make a couple of reservoirs there for like the brakes and stuff like that. Master cylinder, all that stuff. But that's all I've gotten done. It's not much. I'm sure Russell's got more done than me, but that's it. All right, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. Go check out Aaron at the Frayed Brush, Brian's Diecast Thailand, and Russell from Russell Model Cars. Thank you.